What if 25 square meters was enough? In Tokyo, space is limited, but design is precise. Every centimeter is considered. Every function is refined. Today, we step inside a micro apartment, where simplicity, efficiency, and quiet beauty come together. In a Tokyo micro apartment, layout is everything. The space is carefully divided, not with walls, but with intention. Each zone flows into the next. Sleeping, cooking, working, all within reach. Nothing is wasted. Every centimeter has purpose. In small Japanese apartments, furniture is often part of the architecture. Built-in storage, integrated desks, hidden compartments. Instead of adding furniture, the space itself becomes functional. Sliding doors replace traditional walls. They open when space is needed and close for privacy. This flexibility allows one room to transform throughout the day. A living area becomes a bedroom. A workspace disappears into calm. When floor space is limited, vertical space becomes essential. Tall cabinets, wall-mounted storage, lofted sleeping areas. The eye moves upward, making the space feel larger than it truly is. In 25 square meters, minimalism is not a choice. It's a requirement. Only what is needed remains. This creates a space that feels calm, not crowded. Simplicity becomes comfort. Even the kitchen is reduced to its essentials. A small counter, integrated appliances, smart storage for utensils. Everything is within reach, making the space functional, without excess. Storage is everywhere, but rarely visible. Under the bed, inside walls, beneath seating. This hidden system keeps the space visually quiet and organized. Natural light plays a crucial role. Large windows, sheer coverings, light reflecting surfaces. Even in a small apartment, light creates openness and a sense of calm. Japanese bathrooms are compact, but highly efficient. Separate wet and dry zones. Smart fixtures. Clean, minimal surfaces. Even the smallest space feels organized and intentional. A Tokyo micro apartment is not just about saving space. It's about refining how we live. Less clutter, more intention. Every detail matters. And within that precision, life feels simpler, clearer. "25 square meters may seem small, but with thoughtful design, it can feel complete." Tokyo micro apartments remind us that space isn't just about size. It's about how well it's used. If you enjoyed this inspiration, subscribe for more smart small space ideas. And tell me, could you live in 25 SQM?